Watu wa soko mwanangu, Mungu wako? Are you happy? Allow me to take this opportunity and thank you, my deputy, the leadership of the assembly, led by the speaker. So Speaker, thank you. I gave you some work, and again there was a panel which had done the interviews today to give me the new count sector. First and foremost, allow me to congratulate the ever-active count sector, my brother Mombasa. Mombasa, you look smart. You will, every person will agree with me. Last time when Mombasa was in another part, he was not looking good as he was looking now. I rained on him. He used to have the boat for most of the time. But to some extent, I'm happy. He's reduced completely, looking good. And I'm happy rather that you have nothing, you're holding back. Congratulations. I want to promise that you will still be a strong person in my government. You will be a strong person in my government. You will coordinate many of these your colleagues as we have been doing. You will help the new Count Secretary in delivery and making sure we have attained what we promised the people of Kisi. Kwa hivyo, Mombasa, again, I'm happy what, the new Count Secretary, you don't do what the law requires of you, you will definitely act. But then, it's not only acting, I'll affirm you as the what? The council. The only one weakness with him, which I don't expect to see from, that's not what they're doing. We have a problem to tell us. One problem, his weakness, when he was under pressure, he would always switch off his phone. I look for him the whole day. I don't expect that one to be. Even when ESC, I'm happy the team from ESC is sitting there. Even when ESC is looking for you, just avail yourself. They're not going to kill you. Him, when you hear ESC, they are around the corner. You will find him in some ground. This means they are known. At the Jera, I am one of my chief officers. The day that he entered, the first day he entered the office, he slept in prison. Cases that which are not for him. But I'm happy, again, I promise, I've directed that the Deputy Governor, you will organize this gentleman to the coordinator of all the other departments of the country to make record. Lakini pombe, as we agreed, we're not going back to pombe. One of the reasons why I'm a governor is to lead the people, to lead them closely, and make sure the families are strong. I want to direct that there will be changes. There were changes this week, there will be changes. If you get yourself in the new alignment, please, fanya kazi. Wale mtu mzuri na penda wewe, kwa hivyo utaendelea kufanya kazi. Asante. For the new count secretary, your name is symbolic. I think Manu has given you some problem. And I'm told you are good friends. What I want to say is this. Forget anything else. We have given you a responsibility. And the responsibility is to serve the people of Kisi. There are 45 wards. Your office is tempting. There is a lot of temptation. The one transferring people from one department to another. There is people who want favors, and those favors, they come with goodies. I don't want to say what happened before another person resigned in receiving bribes. We will not allow it. We campaigned on a platform of zero corruption and withhold on those pensions. Therefore, you better know these people by names. Unajua director nani, their name into the government. The good thing you come into office, I want to tell you today, Tuesday, you'll be signing an MOU with KCE of 25 million, which they have advanced to us for vocational training centers. Actually, today, you'll be signing an MOU with the SWED program, and that's why I wanted the MCS thank you. They extended the city. Now today that I have a new town secretary, they did not want anybody who's acting. They wanted substantive council. We're going to sign an MOU, which is here, of 189 million for the separation machines we were given by SWED team. Kwa hivyo umeanza na kishindo kikubwa. You're the big man here. Of course, I know you've given a deal, but it is not new. It's in sound, mechanical sound. Therefore, you'll be. That's unakuwa na gari. Wakati mafuta yaisha utaweka. Lakini sasa would be giving you a driver, you will entitled to a driver, a vehicle for purpose of running the business of the government. Kwa hivyo wewe ingia na miguu yote nafanya kazi. Nothing is easy as it looks. Everything takes longer than we expect. And if anything can go wrong, it will at the worst possible moment. For the time being, nothing has gone wrong. We will be there. Even for those ones who are seated in the warm pedestal, the wind will shake their foundation. When we are tightening the belt, there are those ones who are loose. I've been receiving for the information I got this morning. I'm not going to blame. I'm not going to sleep. We will believe. I'm just asking, if I am not stealing, who are you to steal? If I am not asking for bribes, who are you to ask for bribes? There are glaring areas, I can assure you. We blame the past regime on wrong things. There are groups of people who have decided they must take us back there. Hatucheki na wao, tutaanguka na wao. That's for sure. There are people who have decided, and I'm happy to see a team from finance. The CFO, the minister. I'm sure that you guys have been trained by Treasury. The effort I made sure the people from Treasury, National Treasury, they have been here for the whole week and they've done some good work. I don't expect these contractors to follow me that they're not being paid because of ifness. Now going forward, the government has come with a new system completely. On monitoring of projects, there will be no supply of air, there will be no roads which are not done that will be paid. For you, I hope for contractors that are paid, forgive me, for those ones who have not been paid, you'll be paid your money. For those ones who have worked, you'll be paid. Probably next week, all payments will be done. Most of those ones who have done. Is it the CFO? Yes. I know this because they have been taken through some good courses. And the learning is a continuous process. Kwa hivyo, nataka niseme niachie hapo, niseme kwamba for the office of the county secretary is tempting Actually, I've not heard anything of him, of asking for a bribe. I've not. You know, I was making a joke, just see. I was making a joke with the speaker, my deputy, and the leadership minister here. You know, you come like a county like this one as a governor, then you look at very beautiful ladies who are here. Am I the one who employed them? Was I even working there? Am I the first person looking at them? No. They have been seen by other people. They have been working. Therefore, I don't expect immorality is something forbidden in my administration. Sasa kusikia unajua you must advance sexual favors for you to do something. Hiyo utafanya kingine sio hata fisi ambaye ni mwerefu akulagi mahali anaishi. Sasa na baba yake na ungora yeye kwa nini tumbulize eka na bulia hiyo ndio wapi madam what do you do kuja hapa na bwana linda bwana yako na sister akisha kwamba the only thing if you used to come at your home you are sure you will be coming at midnight and from my office. Lakini mambo ya everything else will take care of that. Na wewe naona mgongo mzuri, mama mzuri. Na wewe Mungu, you know power can enter na ingie kwa mfuko ivunje wewe. Would not allow. We'll make sure that this family is strong and going on. Kama ni mlevi, ajaye mambo ya ulevi hakuna. We will not accept it. Kama ni leta niwe wine yake anakunywa kwa nyumba asubuhi anakuja somo. And the good thing, you know, in a head teacher, no teachers that penetrated in my garment big way. Kwa hivyo mama, wewe watu wako wapi wewe? Unasema? Good. Good. Kwa hivyo hii familia nzuri, endelea. Wewe support. Thank you. That's okay. Allow me to leave you there because of a long day. We had graduation for Ajiri at Irongo. I have a long day. I have to run to South Uganda, and then run all the way to Mobasi before I catch up again for another meeting. I'm not even taking lunch.